Welcome to this video tutorial on responding to additional materials requests for recipients of Rapid Acceleration of Diagnostics Awards, RADx. These funding mechanisms often require the submission of additional materials to the funding agency for relevant information, such as more frequent progress reports, or to provide a response to an ad hoc request made outside the ERA system. Because requests can be made by the awarding agency outside of the ERA system, such as by email or telephone, the contact principal investigator, PI, can start the process directly, and at any time, and then notify their signing official, SO, that an upload is ready for approval and submission to the awarding agency. To start the process, the PI will log into ERA Commons, and go to the status screen by clicking the status button along the left side of the window. The status screen can also be accessed by clicking the apps icon in the far upper left corner, and selecting status from the drop-down menu. Once on the status screen, the PI will locate the desired award under List of Applications, Awards, and click on the plus sign to expand the award information. Click the Add Additional Materials option in the Actions column. This will open the Submitting Additional Materials to Agency screen. Requested documents can be uploaded to the system using the green Upload button along the right side. Click the button and navigate to the document and select it. Note: a total of 10 documents can be submitted at any one time, and can be any of these common file types. The title of the uploaded document will appear in the table. The PI can view the document to confirm the correct document has been uploaded by clicking the View button. The uploaded document can also be deleted by clicking the red Delete button. Note: multiple files can be uploaded simultaneously by dragging and dropping the files to the Upload Files area of the screen. There is also a comments field, where the principal investigator or signing official can give details on what the material is, or why it is being submitted. It is important to note that comments made by either the PI or SO will be available to agency staff. Once the desired documents have been uploaded, the PI will have 4 buttons to select from at the bottom of the screen. Cancel. This will close the window without saving any of the information provided during the session. Previously saved documents and comments will remain. Save. The Save button saves the uploaded documents and comments, without notifying the SO. If the PI leaves the screen, and comes back later, all the uploaded documents and comments will be there. Delete. Delete will remove all the uploaded documents and comments. Notify SO. Clicking the Notify SO button lets the signing official know there are additional materials ready for review and submission to the awarding agency. The PI will need to confirm that they are ready for the SO to review the additional materials. The SO then receives an email notification to log in and submit materials. The process for the signing official is very similar. The SO will log into ERA Commons and go to the status screen. Using information such as the activity code, institution code, and serial number, the SO can look up the desired grant. From the status results screen, they can select the Add Additional Materials link if no documents have been uploaded, or the Edit Additional Materials link if documents have already been uploaded. The signing official sees the same Submitting Additional Materials to Agency screen as the principal investigator. Like the PI, the SO can add or edit comments in the comments field. These will be available to the awarding agency. The only difference for the SO is that the Notify SO button for the PI is now a Submit button for the signing official. By clicking the Submit button, the SO notifies the awarding agency that requested additional materials are ready for their review. It also means that the Edit Additional Materials link option goes away. It is replaced with the Add Additional Materials link for the SO and the Add Additional Materials button for the PI. Once the materials have been submitted to the awarding agency, both the SO and the PI can check on the status of the submission by going to the status screen and finding the award. Clicking on the application, award ID number, will bring them to the detailed status information screen. Under the Submissions by Grantee section, they can see the status of their submissions. Here, agency staff will see any comments made by the PI or SO when the additional materials were submitted. Additionally, the PI and SO can see comments made by the awarding agency. For example, if the submission is rejected, they can click on the View button. This opens the View Submission Details screen. Here, comments from the agency can be found as to why the submission was rejected. That completes the process for responding to additional materials requests. A number of resources are available to you for more information on Radx and responding to additional materials requests. This concludes this video tutorial on responding to additional materials requests for recipients of Radx awards. Thank you for watching.